Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to convert text to smart object in Illustrator. I apply two way. First of all, apply step 1. Then select text. First of all, select text. Then go to type tab, create outlines. And you edit text or add anchor point. Okay. And step 2. Again type text. I already typed text. Then select text. Go to window tab, find symbol. Then create a new symbol and symbol name dynamic symbol. Click OK. Sorry, you change movie clip or graphics. Enable go it for 9 slash or scaling or align to pixel clip as you wish. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.